Hello and welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're going to be walking through the Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS Outboard. With the outboards on the back, you will have beach mode right here that allows you to get a little bit more swim platform. And on today with the sunset, we can turn this reversible seat, sit off, watch the sunset, and enjoy a nice spacious swim deck. In the back, this boat's going to be powered by triple 300 Mercury outboards that will propel this boat to over 50 miles an hour. It's not advertised, but it is capable of doing so. Right here, you will have access to a shower head and then access to your water lines and your shore power. So we move into the boat. You will notice that as you step space into this boat, it's going to be very large. You're going to have two L-shaped seating, one to starboard and aft, and then aft and port. Makes it a nice little configuration to where everyone feels like they're facing inward to have a separate table on both sides, but still bring unity. You'll have your nice entertainment station right here with your grill. It's a Kenyon electric grill, your fridge, and then access to underneath where you'll have some fire extinguishers and some other necessities on board. Here at the helm, you will have the twin Simrads, Rockford Fosgate stereo system, a joystick, and a very wide double-person helm chair. You will have bolsters up and down. The last piece of this entertainment station will be the two bar stools. This is a very nice feature. If you are entertaining, you can sit here and be part of the cockpit, or if you turn around, you can be part of the forward-facing chairs with a nice little backrest. So we move forward into the bow area. It's a very wide door and very deep gunnels, so you feel safe as you walk forward. Very comfortably, you can do that underway. And then you'll have a nice U-shaped seating up here as well. Couple pull-down armrests on the boat right here, and then in the center section you'll have some cup holders. Last but not least, on this boat at 38 feet, it is a bow rider but has a cabin down below. So as we walk down, you have some very deep steps. They're not too far apart from each other, so you can easily do it with comfort. Here in the bow, you do have a table set up. You can fold this down and the leaf folds out to where you have, this is your first of two sleeping cabins. You will have your radio, your TV, your microwave, and fridge. And then aft, you will have access to a large, another second berth. Plenty of storage along the walls. And last but not least, what's a cruiser without your day head? This will have a shower, toilet, and be plenty big enough for anything you'll need. We'd love to show you this Cruisers 38 GLS outboard, so give us a call to set up your appointment today.